In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are very good and well. Warmly welcome to all of you in our new session 2021 to 2022. By the grace of Almighty Allah, today is your first Islamic class and I am your Islamic teacher. And here are some topics I have prepared for you. It's your first Islamic class. Warmly welcome to all of you in your Islamic class. Okay, these are some topics. Topic Allah. Do you know who is Allah? Anybody know? I am telling you who is Allah. Allah is our creator. Allah made us. Who made you? Allah made you. Who made your parents? Parents, your mother, your father. Who made them? Allah made them. Your brother, your sister, alright, your teacher. We all are natural things. Allah created all the natural things in this world. Like sun. Do you ever see the sun? We can see the sun in the sky in the noon time or in the morning time. Allah created sun. Allah created moon. Look at the pictures. I draw it for you. Allah created stars. We can see sun and moon and stars at the night time in the sky. Allah created clouds. Allah created mountains, birds, trees, sea, rivers, sea, and Allah also created plants, flowers, animals, and all the remaining natural things in the universe are created by Allah. Allah is also called Maker, who makes everything. Okay, now look at here. It's your Islamic book. Look at here. This is your Islamic book. Class 1 Islamic book. Now all the students with the teacher open this one Islamic book. I am opening this one book. And here is a page number 7. Look at here. Page number 7. Have you all opened it? Now let's start reading. Let's start reading with the teacher. Topic name is Allah. Allah is the maker and creator. Creator is also called maker of the whole world. Whole world means complete world. Allah made us means Allah made us, all of us. Our parents, our siblings, our cousins, our friends. He made, who made? Allah made our father and mother and brothers and sisters. Look at here class, there is also a picture. Allah created mountains, animals. Okay, you can see the picture of animal in this book. Allah created them all. Allah created sky, clouds, greeneries, plants, rivers, and also the animals. Now move forward on topic number 2. Next topic. Our next topic is Allah is one. Okay, what's the meaning of Allah is one? Allah is one. There is no God except Allah in this world. Have you ever listened about any God? No, there is only our Allah Ta'ala. We also call it Allah Ta'ala, Allah the Almighty. Allah is one. There is no God except Allah. And Muslims declare this thing by saying first kalma. Now tell me this thing. Have you remembered your first kalma here? La ilaha illallah. It is the first part of our first kalma tayyib. We declare this thing clearly. There is no God except Allah. Allah is one and only. We pray for Allah. Okay, Allah has no relations like us. We have our mother, father, parents. These are parents. Our sisters, brothers, and Allah has no relation like this, na? Allah has no children. You all are children, na? Allah has no children like that, no mother, no father, no friends. Allah is only one. There is no God except Allah. Now open the book for this topic. Okay, open page number 9. Look at here. Allah is one. In Arabic, Al-Wahid. Allah is the one and only. Allah has no father or mother like us. We have also a father or mother, our mama, papa. But Allah has no father or mother. He has no children. You all are children. Like that, Allah has no children. Allah has no family. What's the meaning of family? Family are mother, father, brother, sister. We call it family, but Allah has no family. There is no God except Allah. Muslims, we all are Muslims. We pray for Allah. Your papa goes masjid for praying. So we all are Muslims. Muslims declare this by saying, what saying? La ilaha illallah. It's also written in English and Arabic both. La ilaha illallah. All the students read with the teacher. Say La ilaha illallah. Look at its explanation. This is the first part of the first kalma tayyib. First kalma tayyibah. Now move forward on the next topic. Allah the Creator. Creator is also called Maker. Who is Creator? Creator is also called Maker. Means Allah made all the things in the universe, like we also call it natural things, like mountains, rivers, sea. Look at the pictures. Mountains, tree, sea, birds. Any man cannot make this. Only Allah can make this. Now tell me, have you ever gone a seaside? Like house face, sea view. Have you ever gone? Who made this? Who made the sun? Who made the sea? Like Allah made seaside, house face, sea view, or any places Allah made like this. Allah made trees, flowers. Have you ever gone park? We enjoyed over there, na? Who made the trees? Allah made the trees. Allah is our Creator. These are the topics. Now start reading for this topic, Allah the Creator. Now open your book, page number 11. Have you all opened the book with the teacher? Topic name is Allah the Creator. Look at the first picture. It's a picture of sun. Allah created the sun. Allah made the sun, the moon and the stars. You can also see the pictures on the board which I draw. Allah made the sun, moon and stars. Allah made the mountains, rivers and the seas. Allah made the trees, the flowers and the fruits. You all like the fruit? Who made the fruits? Allah made it for us. Allah made the animals and the birds. Allah made the clouds and the rain. You all like the rain? Do you enjoy the rain? Who made it? Allah made it. Allah made the air we breathe. Air is present in all around us. Who made the air? Allah made the air. Allah made everything in the world. Allah the Creator. In Arabic and English, it's also written here, Al-Khaliq. Now look at the picture. It's a picture of some natural things which Allah created. Look at the tree, butterflies, sun, cloud, sky, animals, plants, flowers. These all are made by Allah. Now let's start the revision, students. What we have learned in today's class. we have the topic Allah. We have the topic Allah. Allah is our creator who made us, who made our parents, who made all the natural things in the universe. Now next topic is Allah is one. Allah is one. There is no God except Allah. We all declare this thing by saying first kalma. And the third topic is Allah the creator. Allah made all the natural things in this world. These are the topics. I hope you all got these topics clearly. Now students, do the revision for these topics as a homework assignment. And now I am giving you one more homework. Look at here. And you can also get the homework question in your homework folder. And the homework question is that draw pictures of any 5 natural things made by Allah in your copy. Which one copy? In your Islamiyat copy. You can draw 5 natural things. Look at the pictures. You can have the homework from these pictures also. You can draw here sun, moon, stars, cloud, rain, or you can draw many more natural things which you are seeing in the universe or in the world. I hope you all enjoyed this class. Wish you a very best of luck for your homework assignment, and you can also got this question from your homework folder. Okay students, inshallah we will meet in your next new Islamic class with some new topics. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.